Time for a really nice pregnancy smoothie. Well, really I mean like an energy smoothie, but because I'm pregnant, I'm going to call it a pregnancy smoothie now because it totally helps me concentrate, get some new energy. It's a wonderful morning smoothie, and I'm just going to take you through the steps of it very quickly. You can totally tell I'm starting to nest at the moment because I've been making so much homemade stuff. My entire fridge is filled with jars and jars of peanut butter and jam, and I've actually just finished whipping up a batch of peanut butter. If you want that recipe, you can just follow the link below. And I've got a little bit of peanut butter left, and I thought before cleaning it out, I'm just going to make myself a really nice smoothie because it's going to help me for the next few hours just to stay a bit full and happy. So what goes really well with peanut butter? Obviously some bananas. So you're going to just put in some bananas, I halve them, and then I'm going to add in some almond milk. You could also go with any other milk. I just find almond milk goes really well because it actually rounds off the nutty flavor really well. Then I add in some dates. Dates help you with your energy. It keeps your energy levels up high, which is wonderful. Just a couple really. Then some oats, which is also a perfect source for energy. If you are gluten-free, by the way, and if you want to make this recipe, you can do that just as well. You can just use certified gluten-free oats or leave the oats out altogether and use something gluten-free and alternative, no problem. And then I'm going to add in some more peanut butter because obviously I didn't have enough in there yet. I already had about a good tablespoon in there, so I'm just going to add a couple more, and that should do the trick for me. It also depends how you like it, and if you like your smoothie a bit thinner, you could also add a little bit more milk. And I'm going to add a bit of chocolate. Make sure it's dark chocolate because dark chocolate, once again, it's more nutrient packed than a milk chocolate, and it will also help release the sugars a little bit slower, which means your energy levels stay up a lot higher. And we're going to pop this on for about 1.5 minutes on the highest speed and then see what that looks like. To achieve the right consistency for your smoothie, essentially for a fruit smoothie, I tend to go for 1 minute, which breaks up the smoothie in the exact right way to get it really nice and smooth. And 1.5 minutes for these types of smoothies because actually it's essentially a bit more like a shake, and I really want to make sure they're really nice and milky and frothy and have the right consistency. So let's have a look at it. This is looking good. Oh, yummy. So I'm going to pour that in here. It smells actually a little bit like, it smells a bit like hazelnut actually because of the peanut butter, the almond milk and the banana. And that is the perfect morning routine smoothie, or smoothie if you just need something in between to fill you up. You can pop that in your to-go bottle and off you go to work with your smoothie in the hand. And it's essentially like a breakfast. It's wonderful. I'm going to try it now. This is really tasty. This has got a really good balance of flavors. I really like the dates in there, adds a bit of sweetness. Peanut butter really rounds it off. I've used my miso peanut butter, so actually there's a tiny bit of saltiness in there as well. And this is a wonderful recipe if you just want to do something really quick, whip it up. This is enough for probably about 4 glasses worth, so you could half the recipe easily. Still go for 1.5 minutes, and the rest of it you could even freeze and make little popsicles with that for the kids, which is wonderful because it's packed with lovely nutrients and will keep your energy up for quite a while. So for more amazing videos like that, visit my channel, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell button, and I'll see you guys next time for another video.